Hello, everyone. Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about yen and Aussie dollar and US dollar. So let's get started. What happened since the 18th, the 19th, and then 20? Today is 21 and 21st, and it's 3:30 a.m. in the morning, Thursday morning. So what happened in the last 2 days, let's say, right? 18, in the night of 18th, 18, and the 19th and the 20. The news schedule. So let's go take a look at the news first of what really happened. Now, this is the calendar, economic calendar on Forex Factory. So this is Thursday, but if you go back and then you look at the 18th, right? So what happened in 18? By the way, 17 was Sunday, then 18 late night, 11:30 p.m. In the daytime there was no news. It's just yellow news, and they don't do anything, right? So on 11:30 p.m. we had Aussie news, and then we had yen. So I was, looking for this one, and said, okay, let me see what they're gonna do if they will come out of the negative interest rate territory, right? They did. So I thought they're going to be, it's going to be positive, yen positive, and yen is going to get strong. But opposite happened. That's why, you have to be very careful. So basically, what happened in the late night, this yen news came out, and I was ready. I prepared my chart. Let me show you now the chart. That, what the heck is that? Oh, okay. Yeah. So this is the chart I made a long time ago, like 12 years ago. This showing different areas of, the Elliott wave. Every, point has a possibility, right? Going up or down, but what is going to make according to the Fib mumbo jumbo, right? So forget about that. Now, this is the chart. See this, the chart on the 11th March, I said, okay, this is wave three, this is wave four. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, and then wave four, and we're supposed to go for wave five above this wave three, right? That's usually happen. So this started to go up, and then at 15th, last Friday, we were here. So now I said, okay, if we continue to go to the upside, then obviously this is going to happen, right? So we can go for wave five, or we may drop. I made the chart that, you might drop from here, right? 38% usually give us a reversal. But if not, it all depends on the news on Monday, right? On the 18th. So 18th, we had a red news. So what happened to this chart as of today on the 20th? So you see from the 38% we were here, right? This line here, right? And then from there on, red news, yen red news gave us big bounce, and then it went all the way to now at 127 extension of this drop. But doing so, what happened basically, and then let me show you the phenomena between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What really happened? This is what really happened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then will come A, B, C correction. For some reason, if not, okay. But usually impulse wave ends up like this, right? It unfold like this. So I was watching that, and I was, it start to go up, and it's on the 20th. So when it start to go up on after the news, 18th, right? Remember here, 18th. 18th, Monday night. After that, all day 19, what I did. Let me show you what I did. This, what it says here. This will send all yen pairs up again if we stay above this. So that was the target, right? So we start to go up, and then from here on 18 and 19 and 20, we went up all the way. We're supposed to go, all yen pairs supposed to go to the upside, and start watching that. If they go to the upside, obviously I'm going to take long, right? This is what happened to this chart, and start seeing my trades. First trade here, 19th March. This is all going to be 19 and 20. This one, then CAD yen for 50 pip. Then this is Euro yen for 75 pip. All long, long, long. USD yen gave me a beautiful entry here for 85 pip. All the entries you will see this buy order here. SL move to break even. Once I am positive, I move my SL to break even to save my butt, right? So 130 pip pound yen again. And then again, it goes up and retraces and goes up and retraces. This is the phenomena of when red news is the power of the red news, right? And this is USD yen again for 80 pip. This is euro yen 130 pip again, and these are most of these 95% trades are taken by my expert advisor bot. That's what it is, a robot, right? And then again, Aussie yen, look, 160 pip. First, it didn't move. Then, boom, today it went up big time on the 20th. Then CAD yen, 130 pip on the 20th. These are all trades for yen because of the yen news. Then what happened? We go back here, and that was 18, right? Then comes 19. By the way, not only this news, but at 2:30 we had a Bank of Japan press conference on the 19th, and that's also adds up, some fuel to the fire. And the yen index went up, giving me all these trades. Now CAD, I don't pay much attention to CAD, to be honest with you. So I just bypass it, and I had to take some rest too. Then Wednesday, pound. I was watching pound, but the news you can see here, not much of a difference. So pound didn't move much. It was bad news, and it just started wobbling into the same area. So what the hell with that? And euro, he came, he spoke, but nothing happened. But then today, big news: FOMC USD dollar FOMC at 2 o'clock. So what happened? Just before the FOMC, I saw the setup and I made the chart, and I even posted, on Forex Factory on my forum there. And I'll show you in a minute. And let me see. That the chart I made was this. Okay. You can see that US dollar index 40-minute chart on the 20th, this, and I even wrote that FOMC today can do this, right? And I even posted this on this forum here. Let me quickly go there. You see that? I posted that chart right there. That this can do that, right? Getting ready to drop. USD index getting ready to drop is going to drop here first, break that, and then drop a little bit more to this level, 61%. And FOMC can do this today. I just wrote down that, right? So this is what happened when FOMC came, and this, right? And FOMC took this chart, this one, so far, as of now, all the way here. We're, this is my first target, this was, and then 1193, and then basically 61% would be my second target. So this one coming down, and obviously I have written here that these 4 pair will go up and these 3 pair will go down. Okay, I don't watch Newsy USD at all. I didn't get this Euro USD and Aussie USD, never gave me the entry. Only this one gave me the entry. To the long side, this USD franc, I don't look at that at all. And USD CAD, USD yen, they were all the way to the upside. So they turned to the downside, they dropped, but I have not gotten my setup just yet. So I got only this one, which I can show you that this is after, this is the only trade I got, pound USD today after this FOMC news, right? Now, and it's still, we have a big chance that they are setting up. Maybe tonight I'll get some, Euro USD and Aussie USD. They went up in a straight line. Now they're gonna dip a little bit and then give me the setup, and then I'll take those setup, right? Now FOMC has gone out of the window, and now later we had 8:30 p.m. today. I mean on the 20th, Aussie red news. Right, employment change, and this news you can see the big difference, right? From 39,000 to 116,000, and employment rate went down. Unemployment from 4% to 3.7. Big difference, big positive news, right? So now Aussie is getting strong, and I even posted on my Telegram that look. Where the heck is okay? Aussie red news just came out positive, will get strong. Look for GA, means pound Aussie, and Euro Aussie shorts, right? And my members, my subscribers know what the setup is and what to look for. So I post them usually code words on my, and then this is the trade that, let me show you the trade. This is pound Aussie from 7 minute I took. on the basis of that Aussie news. And here, sell order is right there. Beautiful order all the way down. Entry was here, 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 all of these entries. It should still keep going down, right? Euro Aussie, unfortunately, my ear was not on that. I thought it was, but it's not. But so I missed all of that action. So it doesn't matter. More to come. More will come, definitely, right? But let me show you that this is what really happening. I have these weekly charts made for almost every single pair, indices, S&P 500, NASDAQ, gold, oil, everything, right? And I'm constantly watching before the news, watch the weekly chart. Then I prepare my 40-minute chart for any harmonic pattern, any Elliott wave count, for immediate direction right after the news. What can happen? Both sides, up or down. If the positive news, how the heck is going to go up? Where? From where to what? And if it's going down, then the bad news, pair is going to go down. From where to what level and how I'm going to take the entry from 20-minute chart. Simple as that. So like this one, Aussie, Euro Aussie, I made this chart a long time ago. Look how nicely it is coming off of this number here. 65.97 and the teal, and a lot more to come to the downside. Pound Aussie today, this was the chart made way back then that it is going to be going to the teal, hit the teal and drops, and that's exactly what it did. It went up a couple of weeks to the upside, hit the teal. Now see this powerful candle coming down. Now we have a lot more to come to the downside. Now we have today Aussie already done that. We have a very strong news, and this will be enough for maybe a week or two, right? But now today, Thursday night, we have red news for scheduled for Euro, and then all of that. Then 5 o'clock Frankie, I don't care about that. And then a couple of red news, I get orange news for Euro, right? So Euro might get weaker. If Euro gets weaker because of these news, Aussie is very strong already, so Euro Aussie is going to collapse. Then later on, we had a couple of red news for pound. Now, pound is strong and is all the way up extended levels, right? And ready to drop. So if any news, any pound news come up bad, then what's going to happen? Pound is going to get weaker, right? Then again, you see 8 o'clock, 5:30 pound news, 8 o'clock pound news, red news, all red news. So they may make pound weaker, and Aussie is very strong. So pound Aussie also will drop big time. Pound Aussie, you can see that it is how nicely it's coming off, and we have a long way to go to the downside. Right? I made these charts, like weekly charts of almost everything. I said, look, pound newsy. I made this chart in December that it was here when I made the chart, saying that it's going to go to 10.38. Look where it is now, right? And from there, like I said, if pound start to get weaker, it's going to dip again. So this is how step by step you use the news, your weekly analysis, and in a smaller time, down to the smaller time, and then you make the entry according to this plan. That's why I call my system is a system, magic, creative trading system. Right? It starts from weekly chart down to 40-minute chart, then 20-minute chart, 7-minute chart, entry charts. All right. So this is it for now. I just wanted to show you what has happened, and then pound news and euro news are around the corner tonight. And pay real close attention. Aussie is very strong, good, very, very good news. And USD bad news after FOMC. USD is getting weaker. Right, so Aussie USD have a very good chance that I'm gonna get the long entry soon. It went up big time, boom, right? Straight line, never gave me the entry. But later on, it will dip maybe a little bit and then give me the entry. Maybe this week, maybe next week. I don't know. But keep in mind and make a log that which currency is strong, which is weaker, and then you compare to each other, and then you want imbalance. You want one currency is going up and the other going down. One is getting strong, one is getting weaker, imbalance increases, and pair moves big time. All right. So this is it for now. Like I said, if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn, go on my website here. You can, subscribe on a monthly or whatever you need to learn from all of, one-on-one coaching, every single thing from A to Z, what Forex has to offer. In fact, trading, I have a beautiful gold trade today, but unfortunately, it hit my target. It went up big time. I wasn't expecting that, right? So the entry was made, and then it went like boom, it hit it. Now, and also I had gold trade, Nasdaq, S&P 500, all of that. My basically all of this. My son usually handles that. He got his own computer, and then I help him out. Yeah, but he managed all those things. So anyway, this is what I wanted to share with you. Be ready for pound news and euro news, red news coming up, and what we have in hand is that yen may get stopped, but it's very shaky. Yen is very shaky, but it is very weak now, and it's keep getting weaker. But I think that Bank of Japan will probably intervene very soon and keep it. USD yen, they are trying hard to keep USD yen below 152. 152. Remember that. So right now, we probably 151, 70, 80, something like that. Right. So they will try hard to keep it below that. And if they don't do anything, it's gonna fly. It's gonna go above. Right. But USD now helping them to keep it to the downside because of the FOMC. USD is weak, and now even though yen is weak, but it's not gonna go up because USD is dragging to the downside. All right. So these are the things. These are the setups in hand right now. We have today, tomorrow, and then week will end. Very good week. Last week I had only 6 trades. So far today, more than 20, almost 20 trades in 3 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We have Thursday. We have Friday. Let's see what happens. Okay. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.